So with this, we can also see we have our the guest of the day, special guest of the day, Dr. Neetu Bhagatji. She is representing the apex body of higher and technical education, AICT, which comes under Ministry of Education. Thank you so much, Neetu ma'am, for joining us again. It is a privilege and honor to have you. So through Neetu ma'am's hand, we'll be handing over the awards to the winners we'll be announcing today. So guys, can we have the video and can we start the most awaited time for the day, the first felicitation ceremony for the K-12 sector and the corporate sector? So yes, ma'am, the format of the event that we'll be announcing the winners. So Neetu ma'am will be announcing the name of the winner, and at the back we'll be flashing the certificate, and then we'll be having acceptance speech by the winners.
Yeah.
So Neetu ma'am, the first name.
So the first category is Education Entrepreneur of the Year 2020. And the person who is getting this award is Anamika Anjaria, founder and director, Rangoli Group of Institution.
Thank you, Asma. Yeah, this is Deepa Nishad. I'm the academic coordinator for Rangoli Group. And on behalf of Anamika ma'am, the founder, director, and promoter of Rangoli Group of Institute, I accept this prestigious award from Asma. Ma'am couldn't is not able to be present in this event because she's having corona and she's under quarantine. But on behalf of her, I'm here. And I'm glad that Asma has featured India's top 20 women leaders in education 2020. And Mrs. Anamika Anjaria is one of them. She is a visionary leader and hence understood that education sector provides the most preferable job for women wherein they can strike a balance between home and job. At Rangoli, with our innovation and educational improvisation, we have succeeded in bridging the gap of real and expected quality of education imparted at preschools and K-12 schools as a whole. Thank you, Anamika ma'am, for your able leadership. You are our guiding light and under which we are flourishing and blooming. I once again thank Asma for this award, which will be handed over to Anamika ma'am once she is fully fit and fine and joins us back. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepaji, and wishing and we pray to God that for a speedy recovery to Anamika ma'am.
Thank you, Chandanji. Thank you.
Ma'am, can we have the next name?
Yeah, the next name in the same category is Meenal Arora. She is director of Shamrock and Shamrock Group of Schools. So congratulations, Meenal.
Well, I'd like to first thank Asma for honoring me with this title. This award is very special to me because it's a big reminder of the extraordinary times that have just gone through, we've all gone through this year. It's also a reminder of my journey here at Shamrock and Shamford Group of Schools. where we have tried our best to ensure that we do not waste even a single day of learning for our children. It's also a reminder of the, I know, uncountable number of, training sessions we have done for our teachers, for our school heads, for our franchisees for this smooth transition. But most importantly, I would say that it is a big reminder of our extraordinary ability to successfully bring learning to children's homes when children could not come to school because of COVID. So it has been a very, very challenging and tough journey. I accept that, but I think the smiles on the faces of our children when I see them in our online learning makes it all worthwhile. Also, I'm going to accept today's award with gratitude on behalf of thousands of people, in fact, who are associated with me and who support me. So a big thank you to my passionate team of people who work in the head office. Big thank you to hundreds of our franchisees who are spread across South Asia, and a big thank you to our amazing school heads, our talented teachers, our cooperative parents, and most importantly, our adorable SHEM stars. And in the end, I'd like to thank the biggest support of my life, my family. I thank them for their, unconditional love and support. I mean, each and every member, starting from my son to my parents and my in-laws. I'm really, really fortunate to be a part of this family. And in the end, thank you, a big thank you to Asma once again for this honor. I'm going to cherish this for the rest of my life. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah,
Next,
next name is Sneha Rathore. She is CEO of Sanford Group of Schools. And with this, Chandan, I am going for a few minutes, and you may continue with this. I'll come back in a few minutes. Huh?
No problem.
Something very urgent in the office. I have to.
Yeah, understand.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Asma, and thank you so much, Chandanji, Rahulji, for this incredible platform that you guys have created. And I'm extremely honored to have received this award today. Thanks a lot. What I would love to say on receiving this award is, as you said, Chandanji, that I am the youngest. And honestly, when I go on the various platforms, this is what I say, that our education sector needs a lot of young minds. So people who are hearing me out, let's create an ecosystem where we have more young minds in the education system, and so that a revolution can happen in India. It is much, much, much required. So this is something that I would want to say, and for that, to create young education and entrepreneurs, we need very, very, very encouraging parents, just like mine. So of course, I would love to thank them. Because of them, I started working at the age of 16, which completely changed my life and my passion towards what I do. So to all the young people out there, it is very important to understand in life what you want to do and where you find your love and your passion, so that you can contribute to the world out there and change the lives of 1,000 people. This is what I want to say. And thanks a lot to my Sanford family. I think whatever that I do is because of them. Whatever that I do goes to them. This award or any awards that I get, they are for them and because of them, because whatever I am is because of Sanford. So thanks a lot to my Sanford family. Thanks a lot.
Great. Thank you, Sneha. Can I have again the honors to please welcome Mr. Rahul Jain, the MD of InnoSub Group and the Director of ASMA. Because of his vision and his guidance, we are in a position to organize events like this. Thank you so much, Rahul. I would like you to please continue with the award felicitation by announcing the next winner for this event.
Thank you, Chandan. It's been an honor to take this opportunity to announce the next award in the category of Outstanding Early Childhood Education Leader 2020, and the winner is Miss Sunita Jain, CEO and Director, Hello Kids. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Asma, for recognizing me for this category, that is the top 20 women edupreneurs. And I'm feeling really privileged to accept this award, because when you get recognized for something whatever you are working from your heart, you feel great. And I'm really grateful that I'm a part of this preschool industry. And as a female edupreneur, as a woman edupreneur, I normally say that I have to empower many other women around me. And for that, I would like to add that maximum of my franchisee owners are women, and even in my office, my whole team, 99% are women. So I really love to work as a team with all my teammates. I would like to thank each and every one who is associated with Hello Kids, and I would like to thank my family to support me for each and everything. Thank you so much, Asma. And it gives me a great responsibility right now to work more and more and better. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Let me go to the next award in the category of Outstanding Early Childhood Education Leader 2020. And I have the honor to invite Miss Preeti Quatra, Founder Director, Petals Group of Schools, to receive this award.
Thank you so much, Asma, for this so many virtual clappings. Because these virtual clappings are actually giving good morale and motivation to us. So thank you so much once again from the bottom of my heart that you have given us this opportunity that we can share our views. If any one participant can benefit out of one single sentence and get motivated, it is a great job. And you are doing a wonderful job also, because you are helping people to change their mind, because this online learning and virtual learning at one point of time becomes stress for everyone, not for one, but for everyone. But once again, thank you for recognizing my work and giving me this opportunity to being among the India top 20. Thank you so much. It's a very good recognition that you have given me. Because when I started working, I was at the age of, when I opened my first school, at the age of 23. So my mother-in-law supported me a lot, and my daughter, who was just born in that year. And I actually give this award all the, what do you call that, effort and things they have given to me, and they have put, my mother-in-law and my daughter. Thank you so much. Even I'm becoming a little emotional for this gratitude. I want to give my gratitude to them, because this award is actually a need of every woman. And through this platform, I want to tell everyone that every great woman leader need a one motivating woman, because one motivating woman can create a great woman leadership on this planet. So thank you so much, all the women entrepreneurs and my team, whatever you call. But every woman need a one positive and a motivating woman. In my life, my mother-in-law and my daughter actually plays this role. Thank you so much to them and to Asma.
Thank you, Preeti ji, for your inspiring words. With this, let me move to the next winner in the category of Outstanding Early Childhood Education Leader 2020. may I invite Ms. Preeti Tyagi, founder and director, Wow Kids Preschool Chain, to receive the honors, please.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Wow. Well, this is great. It's like a fresh breath, and so I would like to thank you, Asma. This is brilliant. This is beautiful. What I would like to congratulate you first is that you are creating a wave of positivity with such webinars where positive people come on board and they share their experiences, because their experiences has only generated positivity in millions of households where the little ones are happy every day meeting their friends and their teachers virtually. So it's like a ripple effect of what you're doing, and I am so honored and very happy to be a part of it. And thank you so much for the invite and this recognition, which very humbly I accepted on the behalf of entire Wow Kids team, our corporate team, all our teachers. They have done a commendable job. They are change person with the hardships that we have experiencing in the last 9 months, but we have come out as an amazing professional and a person. So that makes us very happy. All our franchisee partners pan India, without their support and the faith that the parents have kept in us is keeping us going. So I'm very thankful to each one of you. Thank you so much for this honor.
Thank you, Preeti, and congratulations again.
Thank you.
Let's move to the next category of awards. That's Outstanding Principal of the Year 2020. And the first recipient is Dr. Seema Negi, Principal, Sanjeevani World School, Mumbai. May I have the honor of inviting Dr. Seema Negi to receive the honors, please.
Thank you so much, Rahulji. Thank you, Chandanji. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful when somebody recognizes your efforts, and especially during the time which are trying and testing, wherein all the leaders are putting in their efforts, but they are also standing like a rock in front of their entire team, because they are the one who have to keep the team motivated. They are the one who have to keep the parents motivated and children motivated. And you are doing a wonderful job. You are keeping the leaders motivated. So you have the magical wand with which you are keeping that smile on our face. And it was so beautiful to see all the empowered women leaders here together on the same platform. And the best thing about this was everybody appreciated each other's effort. And that is what is so beautiful. If each woman will do that, trust me, the world will be a much better place. And I humbly accept this award on behalf of my entire team, my parents, my students, my teachers, because they are the one who truly deserve it. I am just a face who comes and receive it. So thank you, Asma. You have provided us the entire Asman. Aapne hame infinity ka Asman provide karaya hai, because beyond infinity, if somebody can reach, that is what we as educators are doing. So thank you so much. Truly humbled, truly honored.
Thank you for your kind words, Seema ji. It's a pleasure that we have this opportunity to host you all and honor you all. So let me move to the next, recipient in the category of Outstanding Principal of the Year 2020. And may I invite Dr. Manju Gupta, Principal, Kothari International School, Noida.
Namaskar. I am humbled by this recognition. It's been a beautiful journey, and when people recognize the good work, well, it adds to the happiness. And happiness should be the culture. Happiness and giving, two things should be the culture of the world. So if you can create happiness, whether inside the school or outside the school, if you can create a culture of giving inside the school and outside the school, well, I feel we've done our job. So giving and being happy is the culture which I promote. The second thing is a culture of achievement, culture of success, and success just not the outside success, the success within. And if we could in our schools do that, I think we will make a better world. So the success and the achievement culture is again, which somewhere चाल से एटीट्यूड चलता है, एटीट्यूड से निकलकर अगर हम एक फोकस्ड और एक क्वालिटी ड्रिवन एटीट्यूड्स पर आ जाएं, तो फिर हिंदुस्तान की जो शिक्षा पद्धति है वो बहुत ऊंचाइयां पाएगी. ऑफ कोर्स अपने एक्सीलेंस का बार धीरे 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 बढ़ाते चले जाना चाहिए. और मैं चाहूंगी कि अपने लाइफ टाइम में हिंदुस्तान की सरजमी से एक नोबेल लॉरिएट देख लो. बिकॉज प्री स्कूल से शुरू करके और जब हम टर्शरी एजुकेशन और रिसर्च एजुकेशन रिसर्च तक जाते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम धीरे धीरे ढीले होते जाते हैं. प्री स्कूल में बहुत एनर्जी आती है और आगे जाते जाते आई डोंट नो हम मंडेन होते जाते हैं और एक्सीलेंस को हम नर्चर नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो हमारे ही बच्चे बाहर जाके तो नोबेल प्राइज एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी हैड कल्चर ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग लीडर्स एंड थिंग, बट द होल स्टोरी गोज, मेरी पर्सनल इच्छा है कि हमारी सरजमी से हमारी रिसर्चर्स से एक नोबेल लॉरिएट हो जाए, तो हम भी कहेंगे कि जो हमारी जो पुरानी परंपरा थी देश की उच्चतम शिक्षा की, अच्छी शिक्षा की, वो पूरी हो जाएगी. और मैंने हिंदी में बोलना इसलिए जरूरी समझा कि हम ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स बना रहे हैं, वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म्स बना रहे हैं, नॉट दैट आई कांट स्पीक इंग्लिश, लेकिन हम ये जो वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म्स बना रहे हैं और वहां पर भी हम सिर्फ अंग्रेजी में ही सब लिखना भी अंग्रेजी में, बोलना भी अंग्रेजी में, और हम हैं हिंदुस्तानी, तो क्या हम हिंदी समझते नहीं हैं या हिंदी बोलना नहीं चाहते या हिंदी बोलने में गर्व महसूस नहीं करते? तो इन सब बातों का ध्यान रखते हुए मैंने सोचा कि मैं हिंदी में ही बोलूंगी और आप सबका धन्यवाद तहे दिल से दूंगी कि आपने एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जहां शिक्षा को और शिक्षाविदों को सम्मान दिया और हर लेवल के शिक्षाविदों को सम्मान दिया. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल. सो धन्यवाद आप सबका. और किसी ने मुझसे पहले, मिस नेगी ने कहा था कि आसमान दिखा दिया, आसमान ने आसमान दिखा दिया, तो धन्यवाद है आप सबका. और इसी तरह मुस्कुराते रहिएगा और सबको प्रोत्साहित करते रहिएगा, चाहे वो टीचर्स हों, पेरेंट्स हों, बच्चे हों, और चाहे वो मैनेजमेंट्स हों. क्योंकि अगर मैनेजमेंट्स खुश रहेंगी तो प्रिंसिपल्स खुश रहेंगी, प्रिंसिपल्स खुश रहेंगी तो टीचर्स खुश रहेंगी, टीचर्स खुश रहेंगी तो पेरेंट्स खुश रहेंगे. तो खुशियां बांटते रहिए, खुशियां बढ़ाते रहिए. ऐसी उम्मीद के साथ मैं ये पूरे धन्यवाद के साथ और पूरे नम्रता के साथ ये स्वीकार करती हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मंजू जी. आपने जिस खूबसूरती के साथ कई पहलुओं को छुआ और उसके बाद हमें मोटिवेट भी किया कि हम हिंदी का भी उतना ही अच्छा उपयोग करें जितना हम इंग्लिश का करते हैं, तो ये काफी अच्छी पहल हो सकती है. सो कोशिश तो हम करते रहते हैं बीच में. लेट्स keep trying. Yeah, thank you so much. And another word of wisdom that you gave was happiness and giving, So I take that back home. Thank you so much. So in the next category, I have Outstanding Director of the Year 2020. And to receive the award, may I invite Miss Sapnu George, Executive Director, Trins Group of Institutions.
Thank you so much. This is such an honor to be receiving this award. One of India's top 20 women leaders. Really so proud and such a morale booster during COVID, as someone had already said. I'd like to thank my family, my parents, my husband for not only supporting me to do my work that I love, but also trusting me with this role with running the passion project of my father. I would like to thank my amazing, amazing TRINS family, our team of staff and parents who have an equal part in this award and in growing the group to what it is today. We started the Trivandrum International School in 2003 as a pioneer in holistic PK-12 education at that time. We were the first IB and Cambridge school in Kerala, and every day since has been such immense learning. Being a member of the ownership, management, and parent community, and not from education, gives me a very unique perspective, very multidimensional perspective to the work that I do. I'm trained as an architect, but the joy and fulfillment I have got from being in education leadership has been so high. I'm very happy to have been able to bring in also creativity that my training has got with it, and youth to my role as executive director. It has been such a pleasure. And I just want to say that everyone here today is doing so much in empowering young minds to be the very best they can. And, you know, we're all in this only out of passion, nothing else. And you know, being able to have that impact on children is what makes us, I think, get up every day. And women bring so much breadth to the role and resilience to step up to every challenge. And we are in a challenge right now, and how have we stepped up? I just want to thank everyone in the organization. The program was wonderful. I had a great time as a speaker as well at the Education Leadership Conclave. There's just so much beautiful energy and power in this virtual room with so many accomplished women here today, propping each other up. This is just such a lovely network that you've created here. Kudos to Asma, and thank you all very much.
Thank you, Sapnaji. Congratulations to you, and allow me to move to the next category, that is Outstanding Leader in Teaching Innovation 2020. And I'm, with honor, let me announce the name Dr. Kavita Jain, CEO, MD, and Edify Education, to receive this award.
Thank you, Asma, for this wonderful recognition. And I'm glad it is for innovation, because at Edify, I think that's at the heart of everything we do. We are constantly thinking and working on how can we make the teaching learning experience more meaningful and fun for all the stakeholders involved. Innovation is only possible when the entire team works on a common vision. So thanks to the entire team, my team at office, all the principals of our franchise and company-owned schools, the teachers, the staff, parents, and the lovely kids who make our life so much more purposeful. Thanks also to two women, or should I say one woman and one girl, maybe my mom and my daughter. They've been great inspiration in helping me what I do. So thanks to both of them. Innovation begins with learning, and today's education conclave was a great learning experience. All the women who spoke today spoke wonderfully, shared so much without any inhibitions, which was again wonderful. So thank you, Asma, and thanks for the award. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kavita Jain. Thank you for your kind words. And innovation is at the heart of everything. Here, with this award ceremony also, we felt, innovation is the key, because we were waiting otherwise, to have the event on the ground. But we thought now is the time, and we should, just do it. And so this format, and I'm glad that the format is actually, only going smooth and people are happy and enjoying it. So thank you so much. Yeah, so with this, let me move to the next category, Outstanding School Education Leader 2020. And the first recipient is Ms. Archana Goenka, Trustee CP Goenka Group of Schools. Do we have Ms. Archana Goenka, please?
Oh, I was on mute. Sorry. Thank you. Yeah, it's with a lot of humility and appreciation that I accept this award. Asma, thank you for recognizing. We do a lot of work, I don't think we expect anything in return, but when you are recognized, it definitely is a huge motivation. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my husband, who's been my biggest reason and support for being where I am. And he's always, motivated me to say, you can do it and you do it well. So believe in yourself more. And so I thank him for that, and my daughter, who's been a great support from a very young age. And I hope, I've set a good role model for her to follow in her life. And I've been able to balance work and life well for her to see how she should go. I would definitely, I would fail if I don't recognize my entire team at C.P. Goenka International School and Springbuds International School. All the principals, director of school, teachers, I think they've risen to the occasion and overcome any and every challenge that we faced in the last 8 months with amazing success. And I don't think C.P. Goenka would be where it is without the support and work of every team. I definitely would like to thank God actually for giving me an opportunity to work in a sector like education. So I feel blessed that I have an opportunity to serve, mankind in a way, because we are working towards creating responsible and, mature individuals. And I hope we are able to do a good job there. So as our mission vision states, that we hope to create tolerant, youth who's tolerant of other cultures and gender, everything that you see around us today. I think tolerance is something which is missing, and sensitivity. So I hope we're able to do all of that. Thank you for the session this morning. I had a lot of takeaways from that session too, and a lot of learning with some amazing women who were there as panelists alongside. So thank you, Asma. I'm glad that I was a part of this. Thank you very much.
Congratulations again, Archana ji.
Thank you.
So with this, I move to the next category, that is Outstanding School Education Leader 2020. And let me invite Ms. Aditi Godia, MD, Bila Moria High School, Panchgani, to receive the honors, please. Ms. Aditi.
Hello.
Do we have Ms. Aditi here?
No, I guess I cannot see.
Okay. So let me move to the next category of award, and that is Visionary Education Leader Award 2020. And may I invite Ms. Pratima Sinha, CEO of DSR Educational Society, to receive the honors. Neetu ma'am is back. Pratima ji, may we have your acceptance speech, please?
Thank you so much, Asma, Mr. Jain and Mr. Chandan. I'm really profoundly privileged to be part of this beautiful sessions. And I feel so privileged that I've been invited and I've been honored with such a lovely award. I would like to thank my family, my friends, and each and every member of DSR Educational Society. You know, during my journey of education in this field of education, I've touched many lives. And I feel that I need to now, I feel that my vision needs to be intact even today. And when I touch others' lives, that vision that I had needs to pass it on to others. So that would be my legacy to all the young education generation that is coming up in the field of education. So my journey would never end, I would say, till such time I'm there. And it's a long, long way to go. There are so many things that we need to do, and it's never, never going to end, and it's never ending. So with this note, thank you so much once again, Asma. And I would also like to point out that with this award, there was no monetary aspect attached to it. So that's so wonderful, Asma.
It has been a policy,
I know
ma'am.
for sure there are so many awards that come and there's a lot of monetary aspects that are attached to it. So here I would like to clap for Asma for this particular thing. Thank you so much, everybody, and lovely panelists and lovely session. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pratima ji. This has been our phenomena since beginning. At ASMA, we wish to bring all experts like you together, honor them, network, learn, collaborate. But I think, in order to monetize, we have many other ways. So when we recognize, I think we recognize by the merit of people. Thank you so much for bringing out this particular point. Appreciate. Thank you. Let me invite.
I really appreciate this, actually. I really, really appreciate it.
Thank you.
That's why I moved forward.
Thank you. Let me invite Dr. Neetu ji to announce the last award in this particular segment.
Yeah, my privilege to announce the last award in the Visionary Leader in Education Award 2020.
There is a break in voice here.
Okay.
It is good,
Neetu
ma'am.
Can we invite you for announcing the last award of this category?
Yeah, I heard him clearly. So I'm announcing the last award now. It's under the category of Visionary Leader in Education Award 2020. And the name is Divya Lal, founder and MD FlipLearn. Congratulations.
Thank you, Team ASMA. Thank you, Neetu ma'am. It's an absolute pleasure, and I feel extremely grateful to be receiving this award. It's always motivating and inspiring to be recognized. And I think, we are because of the people who support us, encourage us, give us the lessons, good and bad both. So big thank you to my parents, my brother, everybody at home, and obviously Team FlipLearn, who inspires every day, every minute to, do something more and beyond. Thank you so much. I feel extremely humble and grateful for this recognition. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya ma'am. It's a great honor to have you with us on this platform and receiving this award. I would like Neetu ma'am to just, say a few words to this category of awards that we just concluded. It would be really honor to listen to you once again before we move to the next segment, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you very much. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all the winners of these awards. And every woman itself is a survivor, is a winner in different kind of maybe challenges that they are facing in their life. So my respect to all the women, especially the today's winners, because they have not only combated with the challenges, they have come out as a winner. So they really deserve this award. And once again, I'm saying that this is a wonderful initiative taken by the ASMA, and you should keep organizing these awards, keep encouraging women like us. And we all are doing lots of work in our life, and especially I have already said that women, they have to work much more to achieve anything in their life. In workplace also, you have to work more than your counterparts. Then only your work get recognized. Okay, so whosoever has come to this level, you can see the kind of challenge they have been facing at their personal and professional life, and then they are contributing to the profession that they are into, and at the large society, and then to our country. So I'm really proud of all of them, and thank you, ASMA, for organizing these awards, and thank you for inviting me to be part of this.